Assalamu alaikum. Hi, Swadikao, Sasriyakal, Namaste to all my friends in the world. We are right now in the central area of Sentosa. You are looking right now, I am entering in that particular area. First of all, the greenery area. And inside this area, so many lots of activities right there. Number one, it's a Universal Studios Singapore, Water Cove Park. Our today's destination is Water Cove Park, and then Madame Tussauds, the museum, food shops, and right now it's a great location of Lake of Dreams, a great art in the center of the this Sentosa area, and Merlion Park and other things. So our destination today is Water Park, Water Adventure Water Cove Water Park. So right now my children are enjoying with the water. This is the wave island. So that's it. It's Adventure Cove Water Park in Singapore in Sentosa. Thank you very much.